Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to continue our journey on safe implementation roadmap. Specifically, we are going to talk about create the implementation plan after identifying the value streams and org, right? We know that in my previous video I talked about initial 5 steps in the safe implementation roadmap. We started with identifying or reaching a tipping point, and then next 3 steps are identifying a powerful coalition, which include training your change agents like safe program consultants. The second step is training your leaders, managers, and other people who are involved in these leadership positions. The third one is chartering the Lean Agile Center of Excellence. The next one is identifying the value streams and art. Yesterday we discussed about even high level overview about value streams as well. After identifying value streams and art, the next step is about creating an implementation plan. How do you want to implement your transformation journey? I would like to start with a quote from Don. The more detailed we made our plans, the longer our cycle times become. Right? It is far better to plan a bit, execute a bit, and learn a bit than repeat. In other words, take an agile incremental approach to implementation just as recommended with the solution development. Right? There are 3 activities in creating implementation plan. Those are pick the first value stream. From the value stream, select the first art and then create a preliminary plan for additional arts and value streams. These are the 3 steps in creating an implementation plan. The first step is about picking up the first value stream. So you have that, if it's a large organization where I've identified many value streams, pick up the good ones where we have trained leaders are available, or they can who are enthusiastic about it, right? So after identifying the first value stream, you can do some kind of a work in building a development value stream canvas like this as you see here. So you have to put what is the value proposition, what are the different odds, right? You can talk about solutions and solution context, budget, KPIs. So all those things you can talk about it along with your value stream goals. So this will give an additional information and better information about that particular value stream you picked. So after picking the first value stream, the next step is identifying a first art in that the value stream we have selected, right? There are 4 aspects in selecting an art in it. The four criteria you can utilize to select a first art or leadership support, clear products and solution, collaborating teams, significant challenge or opportunities. So if you feel that one particular art meet all these 4 criteria, that is the best art to choose for to start with that. So what is the leadership support? If we have senior leaders who have been already trained in safe who are anxious to put in their training to work, that could be the best one to start with. When you have the organization where a particular art is having a clear product and solution which is tangible in nature, safe might work easily applied, right? Then you need to have a collaboration team. So always you need to have a identify a team which is collaborate very well based on your earlier team-based agile things what you learned in your organization, and see that in that particular art, are you seeing a significant challenge, some burning platform where you want to switch it on, or you see a lot of opportunities which can create short-term wins in that. So these are the 4 criteria in which we can choose an art. So once you select an art, then you can create a further plans, similar to the way you for PA cadence, you can plan your transformation journey in a PA cadence as well. So let's say in this example you're talking about PA3 about preparing for art for launch, art 1 for launch, right? We have chosen art 1 which has meeting the 4 criteria. Then within the art you train the leaders, train the scrum masters, train the teams and launch the art. Town hall with the leaders, right? Prepare a movie about art launch. So this can be PA3 and PA4 you can prepare and launch for art 2, art 3, right? You can build up a DevOps course, agile software engineering course, something like that. And PA5 you can identify further value streams and everything, right? So this how you can do that implementation plan with using the PA cadence, right? So hope you got a fair idea about how to create a implementation plan after identifying your value streams and parts. It's about picking up a first value stream, right? And you can choose any value stream which you want to start with that. The second one is within the value stream you're identifying the art which is meeting the 4 criteria, like leadership support, collaboration, significant challenge and opportunity, right? And your straightforward products and services which company is selling to. And finally you can create a plan with a PA cadence, right? So with that I would like to conclude this video on this particular topic. Tomorrow we'll continue other steps on safe implementation feedback. Hope you like this video. Hope you got a fair idea about how do we go about implementing a plan for or creating an implementation plan for value streams and on our section. Right? So thanks a lot for your listening. I would like to understand your thoughts and comments. Please put your comments. I would like to learn from it. I would like to improve on my content and delivery. Thank you so much. Bye bye.